Namaste. I wish you all a happy Van Mahotsav. My name is Ashwati Rajesh Nair and I am a degree student at Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. On this beautiful occasion of Van Mahotsav, I would like to take a moment to remember how beautifully we used to celebrate it at our college. Every student, every teacher, every staff member, all of us used to gather around at the front yard, plant a few saplings, click a few pictures, and all of us would be wearing green and such a beautiful, joyous occasion. I don't think I've honestly never seen any other college or any other institute celebrate Van Mahotsav with so much enthusiasm. Although all of us know how important trees are and how deforestation has been majorly impacting us, how many of us actually take efforts to do something about it? Planting a sapling, watering it, watching it grow, it's actually almost the same as how a mother watches their child grow. It is really a wonderful process, and what is more beautiful than watching you yourself give life to something, even if it's a sapling, and then watch it grow over the years into a fully fledged tree. Today, I'll be planting a sapling of betel nut tree. When one side of the earth is being subjected to deforestation, let us pledge to start reforesting the earth from the other. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Rutika Dilip Galbale from Foundation 2, Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Every year we celebrate Vana Mahotsav in our college with lots of energy, joy and togetherness. But this year, because of the current situation, we are celebrating it in our own ways, contributing to Mother Nature. Here I go.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। मुझको बचा लेरी दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला। हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या। थोड़ी सी मिट्टी थोड़ा सा पानी, तेरा इसमें क्या लगता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।
Namaskar. My name is Rukmini Iyer from the Masters Batch of Nalanda Nityakala Mahavidyalaya. Wouldn't we all agree that storytelling is an integral part in our field? So, on this occasion of Vana Mahotsava, I would like to bring to you one such story or a legend of the Tulsi plant. According to the Devi Bhagavata Purana, Tulsi was an incarnation of Lakshmi, who was married to a Daitya called Shankachuda. Shankachuda had the boon of Dhamma to be invincible. He followed all the ways of Dharma, but the methods that he chose to do so were wrong. So Shiva waged a war on him. During this time, Vishnu went to Tulsi to tell her to abandon her earthly form and come to their abode. At this, Tulsi was enraged and cursed Vishnu to become a stone, while she became the Gandaka river and her hair transformed into the Tulsi plant. Another variation of this legend replaces Shankachuda to Jalandhara and Tulsi to Vrinda. This version is the one that we most popularly adhere to while performing the Tulsi Vivaham or the marriage of Tulsi. There is also a Vaishnava legend that corresponds the origin of Tulsi to the event of Samudra Manthana. The gods received the nectar and the demons tried to steal it. So Vishnu shed happy tears, and the first of which that fell in Amrita became the Tulsi plant. It is indeed true that the qualities of Tulsi are just as good as Amrita itself. There are no plants that can give you immortality, but having this one can help you extend life, and it can help you be healthy and away from all the ailments. Having just one leaf of Tulsi in the morning helps fighting bacterial and viral infections and treating various skin and hair disorders. It helps relieve stress, which is very important in times like these. It can be made into teas or added into the food that we eat. Basil is also very widely used in multiple cuisines because it's very flavorful. In times like these, we have been told time and again to have kadha to increase our immunity. Well, adding a few of these tulsi leaves will increase the health benefits of the portion. And apart from cleansing the air around us, it is also good for internal cleansing, mental as well as physical. Now that we understand a few of these benefits, let's hope to stay healthy and stand tall, just like this tulsi plant. Thank you.
जीवन है तो है कल, पेड़ ही जीवन है तो है कल, पेड़ ही निज श्वास है, पेड़ ही निज श्वास है, साथी वो हर पल, पेड़ ही जीवन है तो है कल, पेड़ ही जीवन है। पेड़ पंछी का सदन है, ये हमारा सच्चा धन। पेड़ों को काटो मत यारो, पेड़ों को काटो मत यारो, ना करो जीवन घायल, ये हमारा जीवन धन है। जीवन है तो है कल, पेड़ ही जीवन है, जीवन है तो है कल।
I am Priyal Nachpande from MPA Part 2, Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Every year we celebrate Van Mahotsav in our college. But this year, because of such current situation, we are celebrating in our homes. Van Mahotsav is an annual week tree planting festival in India which is celebrated in the first week of July. It was started in the year of 1950 by Kanhaiya Lal Manik Lal Munshi by planting a tree at Rajghat, Delhi. It was started to create awareness in the mind of people for the conservation of forest and planting of new trees. Van Mahotsav is celebrated as a festival of life. Excellent source of vitamin C. Hence it helps boost our immunity, metabolism and prevent viral bacteria elements, including cold and cough. Its nutritional profile also comes studded with a range of phenolphthaleins that are known to fight against the development of cancer cells. This scientifically is the most widely used herbs in the Ayurvedic system of medicine. It is also good for skin and hairs.
नमस्कार, मी वर्षा पवार, नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालय येथील बॅचलर इन परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्समध्ये शिकणारी एक विद्यार्थिनी. दरवर्षीप्रमाणे यावर्षी देखील आम्ही वनमहोत्सव साजरा करत आहोत. दरवर्षी आम्ही आमच्या कॉलेजच्या परिसरात वृक्षारोपण करायचो, पण ह्यावर्षी लॉकडाऊनच्या कारणामुळे आम्ही आमच्या घराच्या परिसरात वृक्ष लावणार आहोत. तर आज एक छानशी गोष्ट मला सांगू इच्छिते. निसर्ग हा आपला पहिला गुरु मानला जातो. निसर्ग आपल्याला भरपूर काही काही शिकवतो व आपल्याला देतो देखील. आज मी आनंद चाफ्याचं झाड लावलेलं आहे. आनंद चाफा म्हटलं ना तर त्याचा सुगंध इतका मनमोहित असतो की त्याच्या आजूबाजूला राहणारी किंवा वावरणारी जी कुठची व्यक्ती, जंतू आणि जीव आहेत त्यांच्या मनात एक वेगळाच आनंद असतो. कारण हा आनंद चाफा सगळीकडे मनमोहित सुगंध पसरवत असतो. तर आज जेव्हा मी रोप लावत होती तेव्हा माझ्या मनात एक प्रश्न आला की हे जे रोप आहे त्याला देखील भरपूर प्रश्न पडत असतील किंवा जेव्हा तो एका बियाच्या स्वरूपात असतो त्याच्या मनात किती प्रश्न येत असतील किंवा तो किती काही बोलत असेल. तर हे दाखवण्यासाठी मी एक छोटीशी सादरीकरण तुमच्यासमोर प्रस्तुत करत आहे.
मला मातीत रुजवल्यामुळे या अंधारात काहीच दिसत नाहीये. मातीच्या दबावामुळे हालचाल सुद्धा करता येत नाहीये. काय आहे माझं आयुष्य नक्की? अशा विचारांमध्ये माझा काही वेळ उलटला. आणि अचानक माझ्या पोटात कोणीतरी गुदगुल्या करून हसवतंय अशी हालचाल होऊ लागली आणि मुळं फुटायला लागली. माझ्या उरात आनंद मावत नसल्यासारखी मी मोठी होऊ लागले. मातीच्या दबावाशी लढून मी त्यातून बाहेर पडले. बाहेर पडताच सूर्याच्या किरणांचा सोनेरी प्रकाश दिसतो. त्या मनमोहक प्रकाशाच्या दिशेला माझं मन नकळतच वळले जाते आणि त्या वाटेवर मला सुंदर दृश्य अनुभवायला मिळतात. हवेच्या हळूवार झुळकेबरोबर नाचत, पाण्याच्या थेंबांच्या स्पर्शामध्ये नाहत माझं अल्लड मन मोठं होऊ लागलं. मी जन्म दिलेल्या फुलांचा सुगंध हवेत वाहत वाहत सर्वांच्या मनाला प्रफुल्लित करू लागतो. फुलाचं मध चाखायला भुंगे तर गोड रसाळ फळांचा आस्वाद घ्यायला पक्षी येऊ लागले. अशी माझी वाढ झाली. माझ्या या कहाणीवरून सर्वांना सांगू इच्छिते, संकट आली तरी नकारात्मक विचारांनी निराश होऊ नका. काही काळ वाट पहा. हळूहळू त्यातूनच नवीन गोष्टींची निर्मिती होते.
Good morning everyone. Here's me, Kumari Vaishnavi Gaure from BPA Part 1. Every year we conduct the program of plantation in our college. But this year, because of this pandemic situation, we are unable to do that. So we all Nalandaites have planned to do it from our own home. So today I am going to plant a sapling of mogra. So now we are planting a mogra sapling. For a proper drainage system, we have put some stones in that. Before planting this sapling, we should put some soil in that. Adjust the soil properly and then water the plant.
सांस आने दो, रंग जहाँ का उड़ा उड़ा है, धूप का पारा चढ़ा चढ़ा है. रंग जहाँ का उड़ा उड़ा है, धूप का पारा चढ़ा चढ़ा है. रूठे हैं मीठे एहसास, बादल बरसे बिना ही मुड़ा है. चलो फूंक मारे ठंडी फिर, चलो फूंक मारे ठंडी फिर, बरसाए बादल पानी फिर. रंग भरे सूखे कैनवस पर, दुनिया रंगे हरियाली फिर. बोए बीज लगाए पौधे, बोए बीज लगाए पौधे, फिर से आस जगाए दुनिया की. पानी फूल और चिड़िया लौटे तो सांस में सांस आए दुनिया की. चलो ज़िंदगी पास आने दो, फिर दुनिया को सांस आने दो.
Namaste. My name is Lakshmipriya Sethumadhavan Nair. We are celebrating Vana Mahotsav. Vana means forest and house to many living beings. And once it was our doom. We could hardly see any forest around us. The reason behind it is we ourselves. But when we forgot, nature has its own way to teach us. Yes, pandemic, where there are all bad things happening to us humans. nature is healing. It is a great lesson to us, a reminder of coexistence. We in our college, Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, have a tradition of celebrating a week-long Vanamotsav. With our gurus, non-teaching staffs and our friends come together to plant a sapling and offer our gratitude. This year we are in lockdown, but we won't stop. We are planting sapling in our own homes, spreading the importance of Vanamotsav to our dear ones.
Soil. In Tamil Nadu, soil is traditionally called Thai Mannu, Mother Earth. The real mother is the soil that we carry as our bodies. Let's contribute towards Mother Earth by planting a small curry leaf which we use for our daily food purposes. Connection with the soil is one of the greatest immunity booster according to yogic culture. We walk upon the earth, we eat from the earth, and we breathe with the earth. We are just a lump of earth which almost everyone forgets. This deep relationship with the earth reflects in our Indian culture. When it comes to energy systems and chakras, the most basic and stable earth element is associated with Mooladhara. It is the basis that all the other elements are built on and of our physicality. Whether you eat, breathe, or drink something, beware that you are taking in a part of this planet. Walk barefoot, sit cross-legged on the ground, experience the warmth and the freshness of the soil within. It will make a world of difference in how you experience your life. Nalanda Vana Mahotsava.